Hello, welcome to Raksham Talks. This is clips from my podcast, which I think will be valuable for you. Let me know in the comments how you feel about it. It starts in 3, 2, 1. I've heard a lot and I watch a lot of documentary. I think Johnny Harris did one recently on the Somalia pirates wala.
Oh, the real pirates.
Yeah, the real pirates. Yeah. And I understand why they do it.
Yeah.
But is it still happening?
Yeah, it is pretty much happening. So the thing is, whenever we are going from that area, passing from that area, it is called HRA, high risk area.
Okay.
So it is like we have to take a lot of precautions.
Right.
So what we do is before going to that area, हम लोग ex Navy के maybe Sri Lankan or Indian Navy के guards रहते, they are private companies, they send them with us,
okay.
And वो लोग अपने guns वंस लेके they are manning the ship, 3-4 people come. ऊपर से we like across all like the ship हम लोग razor wire बोलते हैं उसको, we bar the ship like with those wires with those things, we bar them, and then we have dummies placed, like so that इंसान जैसे हर position
guns के साथ dummy guns के साथ,
but just like with the boiler suit, with the uniform, so that दूर से pirates को लगेगा कि हाँ भाई कोई तो guard है, कोई तो समझ रहे हो.
Okay, scarecrow है bro ये तो.
Scarecrows, yeah. And then we have like those what do you say, fire hoses ऐसा placed ऐसे आजू बाजू में, so if they come we will start the fire pump, and then पानी से थोड़ा बहुत तो we can like avoid them. And then we have drills, ki if pirates actually do come, then what to do, then we have to like how is the procedure. So we have something called citadel, which is like a hiding space for all the crew. तो वहाँ वो कहाँ रहता है वो सिर्फ हमें पता रहता है, तो वहाँ जाना पड़ता है, वहाँ पे राशन वाशन रेडी रहता है 3-4 दिन का, how to like just lock
if they take hostage तो फिर हम बच जाते हैं,
हमें वहाँ जाके we have to. But honestly, all these things, like, they don't care, bro. Like, pirates will just come, एक hook लेंगे, वो पूरा wire fence तोड़ देंगे, and they'll just get up. What they are afraid of are the guards. They'll just shoot them from the height, bro.
So it was like, पहले शायद ships weren't allowed to have gunmen or guards on ship. After this चालू किया है कि ठीक है अब रखना पड़ेगा आपको.
So there's this movie called Captain Phillips. Have you heard of it? It's based on this, like how the Somalian pirates चढ़ते हैं, and then what happens, and after that तो it has been like सब लोग रखते ही रखते हैं, otherwise and then if there are guards on the ship, then pirates खुद भी नहीं आते, क्योंकि वो भी बेचारे लोग, they are like just farmers or something, bro, they're just like poor people, and the people behind them are like the big people, who are making them do these things. It's not like they are asking for millions of dollars, but it's not like that money goes in their pockets.
It became actually business. There is big oligarch or someone who is like giving them the guns and everything and training and everything कि भाई तुम लेके आओ मेरे पास and I'll give you a cut to sustain yourself.
One of these guys, they were just like sharing me their incident with pirates. So उसको actually pirates ने पकड़ा था, वो उसके crew को. And they actually took them to their Somalia, और उनको literally 6 महीने के लिए और 4 महीने के लिए बंद रूम में रखते थे, और रोज सुबह और शाम बॉइल्ड बटाटा रहता है ना, उकड़लेला बटाटा, वो खिलाते थे और 2 फटके मारते थे. 2 फटके और 2 बटाटा. क्या बढ़िया रूटीन है भाई, bro, for 5-6 months, because negotiations go on and on. It's not like कि 5 million मांगे तो कंपनी ने take this. No, it just goes on and on for like 6 months, sometimes a year. So it is not that easy. So if you are captured, then damn, bro, you just
bro.